he chewing on it?
Yeah.
It looks like it. It's like, this doesn't feel like Mom.
Sure he's getting any milk out of it?
I think I see some milk in there.
I'm just squeezing every now and then, not to like drown him or anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Oh, look. Very sweet.
Well, hey, you want food?
Yeah. When do we get to meet him in person?
When we get settled, yeah. When we get settled into our new apartment, yeah.
Or you can bring them when you go back.
Or I can bring them when I go back there, yeah. That'd be a good idea. Z.
Hey, there you go.
Z is chock full of ideas, right?
Yeah, it sounds like it.
Many things
Or more like I'm just terrible at planning stuff.
Yeah, they get their apartment.
You can put them in
but you move in what, 2 weeks?
What's that?
I bet they double in size in 2 weeks when you move.
Oh yeah, they definitely will.
Oh, really?
No. So is it the 9th that you're moving?
2 weeks from now.
2 weeks from now, yep.
Okay. Isn't that the same date that Joe's moving?
Joe's moving June 10th.
That's weird.
He's moving June 10th.
Okay. Why do I keep on thinking he's moving in May? That's right, because he's coming here, before to get the dog. That's the plan, at least. Wow. You guys are all going to have animals. Here you go, except for your oldest brother. The
non-animal, yeah, because his wife doesn't like it. Oh yeah, she's definitely hungry.
Okay.
My turn.
Yeah. Damn, he really chewed this thing up.
That one.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Now it's really going to come out fast. Yeah. So I take it it's not like a soft nipple.
It isn't. It is soft-ish, but it's like, damn, you made a mess.
Hope they didn't eat it.
Look at that.
Wow.
Let's see.
Looks like you're going to need a new nipple for each feeding, yeah.
No, I shouldn't eat it. That's a good thing.
Once more, huh?
Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to take mine off to be able to see.
She's watching the bottle. This other one's watching the bottle here. Want some more? Want some more? That's it?
That's it.
All right. All right, time
Girl
for you. Time for you to
Okay,
go
now
back in.
perfect.
Yeah.
Yep, time for you to go in. Sorry, but your sister needs some food too. Or brother, whichever one. Yeah, I
Are
think
you
it's
sure
her
that was a
sister.
girl?
Yeah, I think so, because the male has been very
Smashing me? I don't know.
Oh my god, look at that!
Started for, so.
Holy crap!
Dang.
He really been into that thing.
Wow.
Yikes.
Yeah, I would definitely try a bowl.
Yeah, yikes.
Or a new
I don't
bottle.
want him ingesting
Beware,
that.
though,
Or tear
they'll
that off and
probably
then give
stick
them
their
that.
whole head in it.
Tear that off?
No.
Maybe. That's probably a good idea, actually.
Okay.
I bet the lady who gave them to you, did you have to buy them or did she just give them to you?
No, we bought them. Okay, come on.
Sometimes if you get some on your finger and wipe it across their mouth, they get the idea too.
Oh yeah, that's probably a good idea.
There you go. They're going to wake you
There
up.
she goes. Watch him, huh? Watch him. Huh? Yeah. There she goes.
gotta hold it up there so it'll drain down into their mouth.
Yeah, if it's not in the head of the nipple, they don't get it.
There you go.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, she's got it. Look at that milky face. And you know, they always go like this on the mama to get the milk out, and there's nothing they can do.
Is it getting any?
Yeah, look at the milk on the face.
Oh.
He wants some more.
Ow!
Can you tell the way they're pushing at the bottle? They're
Yes.
trying to get the mother's milk out of it.
Yeah.
'Cause that's what they do. So hungry.
Hope they're not ingesting part of the nipple though. That's what I'm afraid of.
Yeah.
Damn, yeah, she really. Oh my god!
I think they're kind of spicy.
Okay, yeah, I think. I don't want them ingesting the nipple, so where's that stuff we got from Dollar Tree? Son of. Oh, it's back here. Back here.
I still need a bottle, man.
Oh, I need a new nipple. They just shoot through that thing.
Maybe they want your drink in your teeth there. Give me some of that Coke.
Yeah, because that is shorter
Find
than
out
it
how
was
much
before.
they should be drinking,
That is shorter
you
than it
know,
was before.
if you know.
You think she ate it?
Maybe.
That's
I'm a bit scared she might have ingested
Yeah.
it.
probably not good.
I honestly, by this point, I don't really have a choice. I need to use something that they can lap up out of. Where is that bag for critters? Oh, this should work.
There you go.
I'd rather bottle.
Just beware, they're going to stick their whole heads in it,
Yep.
okay?
Use this one instead,
'Cause
actually.
that's what they do.
Alright, I'm gonna keep driving, man, at this point.
Okay.
Sooner we get to a better place.
Pour the rest of this in there. That.
You may have to get it on your finger, Judge. Look up. Get it on him. Yep. Trying.
Look.
Yeah, look at
One
that.
day, one step.
Yeah.
What was that?
That's that noise they make when they're like, oh no, leave me alone, I want to drink, eat. Territorial.
Where'd that finger go with it? Here. Yeah, it's like here.
Hey,
Look at that one go.
Oh my god, come on.
Cassie, shut up.
The other one isn't.
Not even.
Probably gonna put a foot in it.
She did put her foot in it.
A little bit, yeah.
Shit, she's a little aggressive.
Yes.
She wants it for herself. You have to hand feed her more in future or something. She won't be that way.
I'll probably need something to get me up. I have trouble getting myself up off the couch.
Right.
As long as I've got something